Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and replace in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the find and replace feature in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to sign into Notion using any browser of your choice. Then, open the Notion page by navigating to the page or workspace where you want to find and replace the text. From the left navigation panel, you can see your existing pages, or you can go ahead and click on this Create a New Page icon to create a new page. I have my page already open, which is To Do. The next thing for you to do is to press Ctrl F on Windows or CMD plus F on Mac on your keyboard. Once you do that, this will open the find bar at the top right of the page. Let's go ahead and do that. Ctrl F. Here we go at the top right corner of my page. Now, in the find bar, all you have to do is to type the word or phrase you want to locate on the page. Once you do that, Notion will highlight all instances of that word or phrase as you type. Okay. Mine is going to be, let's say, priority. Priority not found. Let's say read. Read is not finding as well. Okay, let's find you. Okay, so that's it. You. And now you see that you has been highlighted in this page, meaning this is it. I can actually find you. That's it. Now, you can also navigate between instances. You can use the up and the down arrows next to the search bar to move between occurrences of the word or phrase, which is it. That's the up and this is the down. Well, these are not really obviously efficient because I do not have large body of text in this particular page. All right, let's just have a short string of text and that's just it. But if you have a large body of text and you just want to easily find, you can go ahead and use this up and down arrows next to the search bar to move between occurrences of the word or the phrase. Now, after doing that, let's see how we can use the replace function. Now, after locating the text you want to replace, go ahead and click on the three dot next to the search bar. So let's say this is what we want, and so here we go. So in the previous interface, you would have definitely found a three dot icon that is next to the search bar that allows you to replace. But for now, Notion has actually made it easy with the updated interface. Now you can have the replace icon in here. We can just go ahead and click on this replace icon, and once you click on that, that's it. A new field will appear, allowing you to enter the text you want to replace the original text with. So let's say I want to replace you with them, and of course after doing that, go ahead and click on either replace or replace all. Now, if you choose replace all, it means it replaces all instances of the word or phrase on the page. And if you choose replace, it means it manually navigates to each occurrence and replace them one by one. So let's say replace all because I just have it in one instance. So as you can see, the changes have been reflected. So go ahead and confirm the changes. Review the replace text to make sure the changes are accurate. Mine is damn accurate. By following the steps, you can easily use the Find and Replace feature in Notion to quickly modify content across your pages. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.